Hello everyone, I'm back with lesson 8, the seasons, leçon 8, les saisons. It's very interesting. We will talk about 4 seasons, describe their beauty, and then we will talk about the conjugation of a verb. Faire, faire means to do, and then we will see how to frame sentences. So let me share a slide with you all. It's leçon 8, les saisons. We will be talking about 4 seasons in a year. Yes, you all can see the slide now. Okay. Leçon 8, les saisons. Le année a 4 saisons. This means the year has 4 seasons. Au printemps. First is spring. Then we will talk about summers. Then autumn. Then winters. Au printemps. Au printemps is spring. And we will study about the beauty of the spring season. Au printemps, le ciel est bleu et il fait beau. In spring, the sky is blue and the weather is nice, or it is nice. Le temps est agréable. The temperature is pleasant, agreeable. Voici chantant. Also, aussi means also. The birds chant, the birds chirp. Les arbres ont des feuilles vertes. The trees have the green leaves. Vert is green. We have studied about this color vert. Feuille is leaves. Le printemps et la saison de fleurs. The spring is the season of flowers. Fleur is flowers. So let's read again. Au printemps. Au printemps, le ciel est bleu, ciel is sky, et il fait beau. Fait is a verb, faire, F-A-I-R-E, which means to do. And I'll be telling you about the conjugation of this verb later in this chapter. Le temps est agréable. Aussi, voici, birds. Chantons. Les arbres ont des feuilles vertes. Le printemps est la saison des fleurs. I hope it is clear, and we can move on to the next season. The next season is automne. This is summer. Summer is very hot. So, automne, il fait beau, le soleil brille et il fait chaud. It can be understood as in summer, it is nice, it is good. The sky, the sun, le soleil is the sun, shines brightly, et il fait chaud, and it is hot. Chaud is hot. Les fruits poussent en cette saison. The fruits grow in this season. Yes, we eat a lot of fruits in summers. The fruits grow in this season. So, fair, again, we see the verb F-A-I-T, fair. Fair verb is conjugated with third person singular il. And this is brille, le soleil brille. The sun shines. This is also a verb brille. Then we move on to the next season, autumn. En automne, le ciel est gris. En autumn, le ciel est gris. In autumn, the sky is gray. It's hazy. The sky is gray, hazy. Il pleut. It rains. J'ai a parapluie. I have an umbrella. Parapluie is an umbrella to save myself from rain, to cover myself from rain. Il fait du vent. It is windy. Il fait du vent. Vent is wind. It is windy in autumn. Les feuilles, they are tombées. The feuilles is leaves fall from the trees, arbus trees. So we will read again. En automne, le ciel est gris. Il pleut, it rains. J'ai un parapluie. Il fait du vent. Les feuilles, they are tombées. So you can see from the scene, the leaves fall from the trees and the sky is gray. It rains also in autumn. The next season is au hiver. We pronounce it as au hiver. H is silent. Au hiver, il fait très froid. In winters, it is very cold. Froid is cold. La neige tombe et la terre est blanche. The snow falls. Tombe is conjugated with snow. Neige, it is the verb tomber, T-O-M-B-E-R. Tomber means to fall. This verb is conjugated with snow. La neige tombe, the snow falls. Et la terre est blanche. And the earth, there is earth, is white. C'est la saison pour faire du ski. And this is the season for doing skiing. De randonnée is en montagne, that is mountain hiking. Et faire du bon homme des neiges, and to make snowman. Everyone likes to make snowman in winters. So let's read again. En hiver, il fait très froid. La neige tombe, the snow falls. Et la terre est blanche, and the earth is white. C'est la saison pour faire du ski. This is the season for doing skiing. De randonnée au montage, that is mountain hiking. Et faire du bon homme de neige, and to make snowman. So this is about all 4 seasons. Then we have another slide of talking about the conjugations of the verb faire. Faire, we have started this verb in the 4 seasons, and we have used that this verb is mostly conjugated as F-A-I-T, faire, for the different seasons. Here I will tell you how to conjugate this verb. Faire, faire means to do. Je fais, I do. F-A-I-S, je fais. Tu fais, T-U, tu, you. You is second person singular, F-A-I-S. Then il, elle, that this is third person singular, fait, F-A-I-T. Nous faisons. Nous faisons is we do. First person plural, we do. Vous faites, F-A-I-T-E-S, faites. Il, elle, font, F-O-N-T, font. This is third person plural. They, he or she, I-L-S or E-L-L-E-S it will be. Then fini, je, fini. Fini means to finish. I finish. Like I finish my breakfast. Je finis le petit déjeuner. I finish my breakfast. Je finis le petit déjeuner. Je finis, tu finis, il, elle finit, F-I-N-I-T. It becomes from F-I-N-I-S, F-I-N-I-S, then becomes F-I-N-I-T. Then nous finissons, F-I-N-I-S-S-O-N-S. Vous finissez, F-I-N-I-S-S-E-Z. Il, elle Finissent. F-I-N-I-S-S-E-N-T. We have to take care of these conjugations. These conjugations are followed as the same. And one more, there is exception in conjugating the verb commencer. Commencer means to begin. Je commence, tu commences, C-O-M-M-E-N-C-E-S, elle commence. When we conjugate this commencer verb with nous, it is C-O-M-M-E-N-C-O-N-S. Below C, there is an accent. Sidel, commençons. To make the sound of C as sir. Nous commençons. This is the exception while conjugating this verb commençons in nous. Below C, we have this comma, this accent, commençons. Vous commencez. Il, elle commençons. So I hope it is clear the conjugation of the verbs. Let's study about how to frame sentences using these verbs. Lisons, let's read. On et il fait jour tôt. In summers, the days are early, means the sun rises early. En hiver, il fait jour tard, mais il fait nuit tôt. This means in winters, the day rises late, but the night is early. It becomes dark earlier in winters and the days rises late. So en hiver, il fait jour tard, mais il fait nuit tôt. Next is nous portons des vêtements en coton ou et. This means this is a porter verb. Nous portons. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Des vêtements. Vêtements means clothes. Coton is cotton. Nous portons des vêtements en coton ou et. We wear cotton clothes. Des vêtements cotton means cotton clothes ou et in summer. La maison fait un mur. The builder or the laborer is making or doing a wall. La maison fait un mur. So, in this lesson, les saisons, we have studied about description of 4 seasons in a year, then conjugation of the verb faire, and to frame sentences with the different kind of verbs. So I hope it is clear now. Leçon 8. Thank you.